All the sex you've had unprotected didn't just end there. It's left you with something that will live in you forever. Hi everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, why not? Hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can get notified when I drop a new content. So, I will be talking about this mystery of DNA that I found so fascinating. Do you know that when you have sex with a man, his DNA lives in you forever? Workman noted that a research by the University of Seattle, USA, has proven that. So now there is a greater understanding of why God asks us not to have sex before we get married. This research proves that any man that a woman has sex with leaves a part of his DNA in the woman. The man who has had more sex with her leaves more of his DNA in her. So when a woman ovulates, the eggs that she produces contains more of that man's DNAs. So it is why we need to educate the girl child to remain virgins until marriage. Because anytime you have sex with another man, you become one with that man. You are carrying the man's DNA. And according to Workman, this is called sex web, especially when the woman has multiple sex partners. And at some point, when you have too many of the male DNA in you, you change because your cells are changing. That also proves why when married couples live together for a long time, they end up looking alike. The woman's DNA changes when she has sex with men. This is very serious, and the world should know this and stop these silly sex promotions. It is bad and good, but unfortunately women are the victims. This was found out in many other research articles, mostly released this year. So it is new and we all have to know this. The fact is, women retain DNA from every man they have slept with. Cells transferred from a man to a woman during intercourse become integrated into the woman's body after sex. Every single time they have sex. This study found the presence of genetically distinct male cells in the brain of women. Now, this also means that other male cells will be found in a fetus when the woman gets pregnant. Every male you absorb sperm from becomes a living part of your life. That's the scary part of it. The sperm is a living substance. Living cells. It enters your bloodstream and connects to your brain and spine. So please tell your children never to experiment with sex. When the sperm enters a woman, it swims until it hits a wall and then seeps into your flesh. If it's in your mouth, it can get into your nasal areas, behind your eyes, and even your inner ear. It then enters into your bloodstream and collects it in your brain and spine. You can never get rid of it. It becomes a part of you forever. These are the true consequences of sexual intercourse. Workman Leadership College says this, that the original research is from University of Seattle and Fred Cancer Research Center. They accidentally found this when they were researching to find out why pregnant women carrying boys get men neurological diseases. This is real and not a joke. Stop having sex if you are not married. Or better still, stop having unprotected sex. And stop having sex with a man other than your husband. For those that are married, The consequences of doing this is devastating. It is humiliating and horrible. No wonder the world is the way it is. Many marriages no longer hold water in peace, truth, and love. Many children from most homes have behavioral tendencies aligned to both parents. Now you know the possible cause. Say no to sex when not married. Say no to extramarital affairs. Please, let our mature children know this